A very good morning, children. Welcome to audio session of subject English of 6th class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the literature work of Bammera Potana in C reading of Unit 2. Today, you are going to listen an audio session and answer the questions that follows. This session will improve your listening skills. You are supposed to listen the session only once and try to answer the questions that follows. Hope you will do success in this session. Here starts the session. The plate of gold. One day, a wonderful plate made of gold fell from heaven into the court of a temple at Benares, and on the plate these words were written: A gift from heaven to him who loves best. The priests at once made an order that every day at 12 o'clock all who would like to claim the plate should assemble at the temple to have their kind actions judged. Every day for a whole year, all kinds of holy men, hermits, scholars, and nobles came and related to the priests their actions of charity, and the priests in dignified council heard their claims. At last they decided that the one who seemed to be the greatest lover of mankind was a rich man who had that very year given all his wealth to the poor. So they gave him the plate of gold, but when he took it in his hand, it turned to valueless lead tough. When he dropped it in his amazement onto the floor, it became gold again. For another year, claimants came, and the priests awarded the prize 3 times. But the same thing happened, showing that heaven did not consider these men's value of the gift. Meanwhile, a large number of beggars came and lay about the temple gate, hoping that the claimants who came would give them money or food to prove they were worthy of the golden plate. It was a good time for the beggars because the pilgrims gave them plenty of money, but they gave them no sympathy nor even a look of kindness. At last, a simple peasant who had heard nothing about the plate of gold came, and he was so touched by the sight of the unhappy beggars that made him cry. And when he saw a poor, blind, and injured and unhappy at the temple gate, he knelt at his side and took his injured hands in his and comforted him with kind words. When this peasant came to the temple, he was shocked to find it full of men boasting of their kind actions and quarreling with the priest. One priest who held the golden plate in his hand, seeing the peasant standing there, beckoned to him, and the peasant came and knowing nothing about the plate, took it in his hands. At once it shone out with 3 times its former brightness, and the priest said, "Son, the gift is yours, for you love best." Thank you.